So everyone, look at this question. The work done in an adiabatic change in an ideal gas depends on first option change in pressure, change in specific heat, change in its volume, change in temperatures. What is ideal gas? PV is equal to nRT. Clear? And in case of ideal gas, change in internal energy is delta U is equal to NCV delta T. It's a very easy question. What is first law of thermodynamics? Delta Q is zero in case of adiabatic process, there is no exchange of heat between system and surrounding is equal to delta U plus work. So the amount of work is equal to the decrease in internal energy. And what is delta U? Delta U is LCV delta T. So work, what they are asking, the work done in an ideal adiabatic change. This is work done in adiabatic change. Depends on change in temperature, delta T. So right option is option 4. Clear? This is first law of thermodynamics. Again, I'm writing this is first law of thermodynamics. First law of thermodynamics. Yeah. Thank you.